Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G. First of all, we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool. If you have put it back after inserting the SIM card, you will find it here at this place. Here has been a phone in, by the way, and here you will find the SIM ejection tool. So just flap the wings like this. And yeah, if you don't have it anymore, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, no matter if you have one or two SIM cards inserted already, we will place now the microSD card at the last position here. So fix it well and take care that nothing jumps out. It's not that easy because the SIM cards are very tiny. So this is how it should look like then at the end. So as I said, you can have also two SIM cards now. Okay, and the contacts, they are below. Okay, if you're ready, just put your construction back into the SIM slot here. Shake a bit and close it well. That's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. So how to transfer data now from the internal storage to the microSD card if you're interested in. You can have a look there, or you can subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for all your support. Yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.